Hi guys, my name is Zenia and you're watching Desi Martini. Today we have with us someone who had made her way into everyone's heart with a stint in TV, especially with Sapne Suhane Ladakpan Ke. Now that little cute kid has all grown, someone who had begun as a child actor, she's all grown and she's set for a big Bollywood debut opposite none other than Ayush Sharma in a film that also stars Salman Khan and has been directed by Mahesh Manjrekar. Yes, we are talking about Mahima Makwana, who will be playing Manda in the upcoming film Antim, The Final Truth. Hi, Mahima. Welcome to Desi Martini.
Hi, what a lovely introduction. I mean, you were just bang on.
Thank you. Thank you. That's a huge compliment. Thank you so much. But yeah, this is your moment. I mean, we have seen those who have been watching TV has seen you as a child, and now they are seeing you grow up. They're seeing you romance. It's like we have watched you growing up all throughout. So
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's a special day for the audiences. The day when Antim would release, and you would be playing Manda. You would be playing the female lead in this film. Definitely you would be excited, but I would want to know that how did you land up this role?
So, just like every actor auditions for everything that is happening, I mean, like how I was auditioning for films, ads, web, everything. I get a call from SKF's team and they tell me that there's this film that is being made opposite Ayush Sharma, directed by Mahesh Manjrekar. I was not told that, even Salman Sir stars in the film. So, um, with so many rejections that I've faced, especially for the film auditions, you are already with an apprehension that this is not going to work. I mean, there's no way that I'm going to get this film. But I knew that it's a Mahesh Manjrekar film, and he's a dream director to start your career with. I gave it my best shot. I was just honest throughout the audition, and then I just left it to the destiny, because sometimes when actors get too attached in the audition process, and when things don't work out, it's like a piece of your heart which breaks. But this time, I think it's beautiful when you don't expect a lot from life. It tends to surprise you, and I think this moment was absolutely mine, because I feel today I feel it's an amalgamation of hard work, destiny, sacrifices, the long journey that I've had in TV. It's just a mix of all, and I feel grateful. So I got the film through the audition that I gave. Yeah.
Right. And while you are talking, we can understand the kind of excitement that you have and the kind of like you're so excited, you're so thankful to be a part of this film. But also,
Absolutely.
Mahima, when you work in a film like this that also has a superstar like Salman Khan, it's very challenging to hold your own ground, to shine, because all the limelight would be on that man who has been ruling hearts for years now. So did you take that challenge head on? Did you find it somewhere weighing you down, or you just went with it?
You know what? I'll tell you, it's a mix of all, because the character was so beautifully written. I wouldn't say that it outshined, or there was pressure about how am I supposed to, how is my character supposed to dominate. No, no, no. I mean, in fact, I just feel grateful and I feel blessed and fortunate that I got an opportunity to share screen space with the superstar who has ruled our hearts, and who's won our hearts for three long decades. But additionally, to add to this, it was a character which was meaty. It was a character which had its own voice. It was a character who was not there in the film just for the sake of being there. I think years ago, women were a part of films just because they have to be a part of it. I think in this film there is this girl who seems vulnerable, but she's liberal, she's empowering, she plays, I mean, she's a chai wali, she's the only girl in the whole market yard which is filled with men. So there is this courage and strength that was instilled within her, and I think that's what inspired me about her. And none of these thoughts came to my mind about how am I going to outshine and how am I going to go about this. I think all I was worried about is I have to give my best shot. I have to put my best foot forward because this is my opportunity and I have to make the most out of it. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's such an honor, every actor in the industry wants to be a part of such a universe which has a superstar, additionally has a great script, and a film which is backed by a seasoned director. So I think there's nothing more that I could ask for. I just knew that I am here to give my best. Yeah.
Okay, and that's your words are so positive, how you look to it. Also, the fact that there's Ayush Sharma, there's Salman Khan, there's Mahesh Manjrekar on the sets. I'm sure you must have had a lot of learning experience as well as a lot of, masti that we say, because Salman Khan, we have heard stories of how Salman Khan sets are always vibrant. So, could you share one of the most memorable days on sets?
Yeah, I mean, it was an action driven film. It was a serious film, what you will see on screen, but off screen it was a fun filled set, because Mahesh sir looks very serious, but he's someone who's so simple, who's so honest. So I'll start with him first. Those honest raw conversations that I had with him about life, about experiences, it just teaches you so much. It just makes you realize that he's gone through so much, but he's still being consistent at what he does. While the shooting of Antim, he was also diagnosed with cancer, but there is some spirit about him. There is some energy about him that inspires you. And when you speak with him, that life happens, shit happens, but you have to get going. And he's such a raw person. He would tell me about Tabu ma'am, about her journey, how I should be watching her cinema, how her contribution to cinema has been equally inspiring. So because he's also worked with her, and he really likes her as an actor. So these little conversations that you have with them, they mean so much, because there is something that you can take out of it as an individual. Similarly with Salman sir, he's taught me to believe in myself. He said, because when not many believed in me, he did, and I'm so happy with that. And how he also made me explain about how I have to be the most hardworking person in the room, how I have to believe in myself, how I have to let go the ups and downs, and how I have to stay consistent through this whole journey. So I think there is something about Salman sir that is so attractive, that is so, I don't know if I can, if I don't know if I can put that into words, because he's magnificent. Because
He
there's
has
no
that
other word that
aura.
I could think of. Yeah, his aura is not just intimidating, but it's something else. Talking about Ayush, he's such a fun-filled person. He's such a great co-actor. I'm so glad that I got to start I got to start my Bollywood journey with a very good co-actor like him, because he's not only put his heart, soul, blood, sweat in the film, but he's someone who wants to break the stereotype for himself too, because when he was in Love Yatri, everybody thought of him as a chocolate boy, but he waited for so long so that he could mold himself as an actor. He could work on himself, and I think this was such a interesting yet challenging character for him. So I think I absolutely admire him for his dedication, for his hard work, and to be loggerheads with country's superstar, and to still have that that strength, that courage, that power in your eyes is quite difficult. I mean, it's not just the physical transformation, it's also what goes within you, because I've seen him have moments before going for an action sequence shoot with Sir. And I mean, it's such a beautiful universe. I mean, I just feel I feel happy to have been a part of this.
Okay, and we are so looking forward to seeing you in this movie because, from the glimpses that we have got, and like you said, that she is a strong character who holds her ground, who has that quality in her to stand out. It sounds super exciting. Like you said, Mahima, before during the interview, that you have been working since you are 10, and there have been countless rejections that you have faced in your journey. At the age of 10, most of us don't even understand ki kya chal raha hai, kya hoga, bacche hai sab. But at that point, you have been said no to so many times on your face. That can be a breaking moment for so many of us, but you continued your journey and you reached to where you are. How did you find that strength within you to come to this, to come to Antim?
So all this while, I started out from TV, but to also get my first job in TV was not an easy task. But to add to this, not everyone has an easy life. I'm sure everybody who's watching this interview, even you, we all have our own hardships. We all have our own struggles, ups and downs that life offers us. But all we have to do is keep going, keep moving on, because I think agar ups and downs nahi honge to life gets boring. But to answer your question, it was difficult because to make your own mark as an actor, to challenge yourself with the changing patterns, as well as I did I did a lot of TV. I tried exploring OTT by doing a couple of web shows. Then I tried South. So, I made sure that I don't put myself in a box, because if I start doing that, people will start doing that too. And anyway, the actors, when they work for a certain medium for too long, they have been labeled and they are being typecast along with the medium that they work for, which is sad, because I think actors are at the end of the day actors. They just have to mold themselves according to the demand and the requirement of the setup. So I think long story short, the journey was filled with crests and throws, but I think just like everyone makes through it, I was resilient, and there were moments where I was on the urge of giving up. I did, but I came back, and it's all about you fall, but it's also about how you get up after having a setback.
Wow. It's nothing short of inspiring when we hear your story, and all of us who have followed your journey, we know the hardships that you have been through, and it's nothing short of inspiring, Mahima.
Thank you.
With TV, like you said, there's this tag that comes on, the label that comes on, but there are so many people who have moved beyond it, and you are also doing that. But do you at any point in time now feel like you can go back to TV?
See, you know what? When I was doing TV, I knew that I wanted to be a part of the big screen, but I never knew that I will do the OTT shows that I did, or the South films that I did. So I think the plan is to not have a plan. The plan is to just be part of interesting and challenging stories. And I've always tried, even in TV, to break the norms and to not be repetitive with the choices that I've made, which is why you see my characters being so different to each other. So here I am, waiting for Antim to come out, and then I will see what's there in store to unfold, and we'll see how it goes.
Right. Yeah. But also with TV, one of the biggest problems of TV are the hectic schedule and the kind of commitment that it requires, because a show would be infinite and it would go on for many years, and you don't know where your character is going, the character arc would be ending. So given that kind of long commitments that TV required, do you see yourself going back anytime soon?
I think right now, now that I have entered Bollywood, I will also see what challenges or what things that I do here, because I mean my dream is to be a part of the big screen. But like I said, I might do a finite show, and we also have superstars like Salman sir. He does films, but there's a very big reality show which also offers commitment, which is Big Boss. We have Mr. Bachchan doing Kaun Bane Crorepati. We also have a beautiful show back in the day. We had it Satyamev Jayate. So I think if opportunities like these come up, and I've done fiction for quite long, so I would also want to explore the zone of non-fiction for that matter.
Wow. Okay, we are hoping that something like that also comes your way, because you have entertained us on TV, you have entertained us on OTT. You have in fact worked in the Telugu industry and now finally Bollywood. Before we let you go, Mahima, I would ask you this. What's your mother's reaction to the trailer? Because I really want to know how she felt after she watched you.
So she was there at the trailer launch, and she was sitting in the very first row, and she saw the trailer with my family, with my bhai and bhabhi, and she had tears in her eyes. It's like she saw her dream being played right in front of her. When she saw me sharing the stage with Salman sir, I'm sure it was a moment of pride as well as disbelief for her as well. I feel the hardships and the struggles that we have faced, my mom and I, so far. Suddenly, it just counted, and I feel everything made so much sense. मतलब वो कहते हैं ना, जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, and आप अगर खुद पर विश्वास रखते हैं, and eventually, if you want to get there, you will get there. So she's overwhelmed too, and I think I've done her proud, and I will continue to do so, because she was the first person to believe in me, and somehow I have fulfilled her dream. It was her dream to be an actor. She couldn't do it because society restrictions, family. She couldn't, so she wanted her daughter to live her dream, and I can proudly say that I'm living my mother's dream, and somehow her dream became my passion, and there's nothing beyond acting that I can think of.
Wow, you have most definitely made her proud, and we even the audiences who have seen you, who have watched you for years, who have followed you, they too feel that sense of pride in how far you have come. And like I said, your story has been nothing short of inspirational. So we
Thank you.
believe that it would inspire so many people who also want to make their mark in
Yes.
Bollywood. Of course.
Mm-hmm.
Mahima, it was lovely chatting with you, and thank you so much for joining with AC Martini. All the very
Thank you,
best
Zina.
for all the very best for Antim, and we are also waiting to see what comes next from you.
Thank you so much. Looking forward.